For 60 years, we've looked at the moon from a distance, we've landed on it, walked on it, left flags on it, but we've never stayed. That's about to change. Right now, robots, landers, and rovers are being built to make the moon a place humans can actually live. NASA calls it the moon base, humanity's first lunar outpost. It will be built in phases, each adding more capability and permanence. The location matters. NASA has chosen the moon's South Pole region, a landscape of jagged terrain, razor-sharp shadows, and craters that have not seen direct sunlight in billions of years. Hidden inside those shadows is water ice, a possible source of drinking water, breathable oxygen, and rocket fuel. The plan starts with robots and ends with a permanent human presence. Phase 1 is about gaining reliable access, experimenting, and learning. Robotic landers, rovers, and orbiters scout the South Pole, test technology, and reduce risk for the astronauts who come next. Blue Origin's Blue Moon Mark 1, Endurance, targets the Shackleton connecting ridge and tests autonomous precision landing and cryogenic propulsion. Endurance will study how rocket plumes move lunar dust and will place a laser reflector on the surface. These missions fly through NASA's Commercial Lunar Payload Services program, where private companies build and fly landers and NASA rides along with the science. Voyager Technologies' Griffin 1 studies lunar dust, maps terrain in 3 dimensions, and examines helium-3 in the soil. Intuitive Machines M3 is aimed at Reiner Gamma, a bright swirl above a powerful magnetic anomaly. Its Trinity lander will deploy Altus 1, the beginning of a lunar communications relay network. NASA's Viper rover may be the most important robot on the list. Its job is to determine where exactly the moon's water is hiding, using a 1-meter drill inside permanently shadowed craters. Viper could create the first resource map of another world, helping determine where the moon base gets built. CAPSTONE 02 will practice rendezvous and docking in lunar orbit. Blue Ghost Mission 2 will explore the radio-quiet far side. MoonFall will deploy 4 flying drones over the South Pole to map future landing sites. Astrolab and Lunar Outpost will build lunar terrain vehicles that can carry astronauts and cargo. Phase 2 is build and expand, roughly 2029 to 2032, power systems, cargo delivery, communications networks, and multiple operating locations transform the moon base from an idea into infrastructure. A pressurized rover supplied by JAXA becomes a mobile home for astronauts, supporting expeditions of up to 28 days and extending the reach of the base. Phase 3 is live and work on the moon, 2032 and beyond, with power, communications, transportation, and habitats in place. Astronauts can conduct science and learn how to live on another world. The moon base is also a rehearsal for Mars. NASA calls this the Artemis era, but the bigger story is cooperation. Commercial landers, international partners, robots, rovers, and spacecraft converging at the lunar South Pole. 60 years ago, going to the moon meant a flag, a few footprints, and a trip home. This time, we're not just going back, we're moving in. Subscribe to follow the landings, discoveries, and countdown to the first permanent base on another world.